Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So I know I have to catch up on filming. I'm finally back from Chicago and so missing my little Emmy, my granddaughter. And I came back to boxes and boxes. So I am not gonna flood you with a ton of boxes. I'll just do it slow. I have boxes, I don't know when I ordered them, I don't even know what months they're from, so please bear with me. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like it enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of all my videos, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty and your well wishes on my granddaughter and your comments. I so appreciate it. So I am starting out with my Trendmood box. And I want to say this was the September box. I don't order it every month. I order it when I see a curator in there that I like and I like the products. And so I'm hoping this is a September box because I think that's what it is. And it comes nicely wrapped, and I'll leave the price below, but I want to say it's like $39, somewhere around there, but I'll leave everything below. And they do like a monthly theme, so they'll have I want to say like 1 month was like, you know, a shampoo box, 1 month was a certain makeup line box. So that's when I decide that's the box that I want. So how are y'all doing? Is your weather changing where you're at? Are you getting cold? And I was just in Chicago and it rained quite a few days when I was there and it got kind of cold, but there were some sunny days, so I really appreciated that. Didn't really go a lot of places because I was on grandma duty, and that baby is 4 months old and she weighs like 17 or 18 pounds. So she's a very heavy baby. So is my son. So I can see where she gets that from. So the first thing in the box is by Mercari, and it's a moisture whipped Ceramide Cream. So I want to say this is like a moisturizing cream, and I don't know, I can't remember if they put a card in their boxes. You can scan, there's a scan button, so I think you can scan it and it will tell you about all the products, and I didn't do that. So this says, it's got everything that's in here. And I'm trying to see if it's got directions or it's a hydrating skin while moisturizing. So I'm thinking this is a moisture cream. And Mercari is really a good product. It comes in a lot of subscription boxes, and it does have the closure on here, so I'm not going to open it. And I feel like there's a little spoon so that you can take it out of the jar. And this usually retails for about $30. And then there was the Touchland Power Mist, and I received one of these before, I think in the pink, and it's a hand sanitizer, and I actually brought it with me to Chicago and had it on hand at all times. So I like that. And then we have a First Look Lightweight, and I can't remember what this was. And I've watched unboxings. Some unboxings I will cheat and watch, and some unboxings I want to be surprised. And I think I did cheat and watch this one. And I think this was a eyeshadow, a chrome eyeshadow, just one, but we'll find out. Let's check. So when I came back home, the weather here is about 80 or 90 degrees, so it's a perfect temperature. Yeah, this is definitely the chrome. And to be honest, I would be afraid to try this. I don't know what look I would create with it. I would probably glow in the dark and scare half the neighborhood. So this is definitely gonna go in a giveaway. And I think I've heard other people say that, but if I and other people don't want to wear this, I don't know how many people would want this. So actually, just let me know if you would wear this and if you want this. Because again, it's not for everybody. So just let me know if you want that. And then the next thing is Self Smooth Resurfacing Serum. It exfoliates, brightens, and nourish. And I'm always looking for one of these. So you can never have too many. You can never have too many good serums if they work. So I do try them for several weeks to see if I notice a difference on my face. And then we have the e.l.f. This is the Brow Lift Applicator. So it's got the little brush on one end and the other tool on the other end. And there's more. And then we have the Chrome Amplifier. And I'm thinking it's the same brand. So this probably goes with trying to put that chrome color on. So if you want the chrome color, you can get the brush. And then one of the things that I wanted was the Brow Lift by e.l.f. to give it a try because I have to work on the brows. And then we have the Smooth and Blur Primer. Diffuses the look of imperfections. And this is the Sephora brand. And we have the, this is the same brand as that color. And it's the Color Fix Matte Waterproof Liquid Pigment Eye, Lip, and Cheek. So I guess you can use this on all three, and it's packaged. Oh, and this is the color. It's kind of a nice color, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use that one. And then we have the Strivectin, which is a very expensive, good brand. And this is the Advanced Retinol Nightly Renewal Moisturizer. And I think this was the reason I wanted the box, because this is, I think, like $40+. So we got that. And then we actually have the how to use, this is for the Sephora Smooth and Blur. And so it tells you how to use that. And then we have the Strivectin card and what it does and what's in it. So let me, oh, there was enough product. And we have the same brand as that eye color, and this is the chocolate, and this is for eye, lip, or cheek. And these I probably won't use, so these will go in a future giveaway. Still working on that beauty room, and my daughter is coming. She was in Chicago, and then they have a wedding, and then she's coming to Arizona, and she is gonna help me with the beauty room. So during the process, I am putting boxes together to do giveaways. So this will probably go in there. So I'm not gonna open it. I'm not gonna take the plastic off. So we've got these DM, and again, they're for the eyes, lips, or cheeks, and they're nice colors. So we got 2 of those, and we got the Kinship Serum, and I'm willing to give that a try. And we got this Chrome, And again, let me know in the comments below if this is something you will use. And if you have a channel and you're willing to use it, I'd like to see it on your channel. And it comes with a brush, and then we got the brow brush, and we have the e.l.f. brow powder, and we have the Kapari, which again I'm gonna use. And then we have the Sephora Smooth and Blur with the directions in how to use it. And we have this hand sanitizer, and I loved it. I love the other color that I had. And the big winner of the box is the Strivectin Advanced Retinol. So what did you think of this box? I know I'm probably one of the last ones to unbox it, but I just ordered it for the products that were inside. So leave comments below. Let me know what your favorite product was. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.